A victim of a first-time accident probably really doesn't have much of an idea what to actually do. Initially, I would say make sure that you're not injured, first and foremost. Number two, use your smartphone, take pictures at the scene, take pictures of both cars, take pictures of the tree, whatever you're involved with, and also take pictures of the other driver's information. That way you actually have a record without having to write anything down. That being said, if your vehicle needs to be towed, the police will actually bring a tow truck out and tow your vehicle. That's not a great thing, but it's the way it happens. There's not much you can do about it. Next thing, call your insurance company. Call the claim center. Do whatever you have to do to report the accident. Hello, my name is John Hine. I own KK Collision Center right here in Rancho Cordova for the last 28 years. You can reach us at 916-638-7289 or on the World Wide Web at kkcollisioncenter.com.